we can start today's class with the in the previous class we learned about the fruits which are having many seeds and fruits which contain only one seed.
One seed.
These all things we learned it, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
from
ma'am.
the first it comes the flower.
Ma'am, two people entered the waiting room.
From the flower, the fruits are produced. From inside the fruits, we can see the seeds, right? So
Yes.
from the seed, that new plants come out of it, right? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
That you learn. So that process of changing of seed to a plant, that is called that means when a seed grows into a new plant, it is called germination.
Ma'am,
when a, when a,
Termination.
Germination. Okay, so don't unmute. Prinova, mute your audio. I will just let me share the screen. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute.
And this picture you show.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, this one is the see. So here germination. Can you see the spelling of germination? So
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we should
take,
write this.
Ma'am.
take your rough book and write down today's new word. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
germination. Germination. Angelina, Sri Shankar, mute your audio. How many times I am saying it? Hmm?
Excuse me, ma'am.
If you want, then only. Angelina Martin.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we should write this definition.
No need to write the definition. New word. Which is the new word today you learned? That is germination. Okay, that is germination.
Ma'am, I study the
Germination.
spelling, ma'am.
Okay, very good. But you have to all have to write one time in your book today. Then
Okay, ma'am.
after the class, you have to study it. Okay, 5 times. So what do you mean by germination? That is when a seed grows into a new plant, that is called germination. Aditi, mute your audio. When a seed grows
Yes, ma'am.
into a new plant, that is called germination. The process of formation, for the process by which a seed changes to a plant, that is called germination. Okay? Again, I will share it so that you can read from out of it. No need to write down the definition. I want you to get the spelling of the new word. Vaiga. Okay, tell me, what do you mean by germination?
From the seeds, new plant is growing.
Okay, from the when
It
a
is called
seed, you
germination.
can read it from the board. When a seed grows into a new plant, that is called germination. Okay, is it clear? So let me call some other students. Prinova, Shreya, please mute your audio. Prinova,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. What do you mean by germination?
When a seed grows in a
Into a
new
new plant,
plant
it
is
is
called
called
germination.
It is called germination. Okay, so you learned it, right? But all the seeds, when they, all the seeds won't germinate. Okay, only
Okay,
very
ma'am.
few seeds only germinate. You can see under the jackfruit tree, so many seeds will fall down there. But can you see all the seeds are germinating? All the
No,
seeds
ma'am.
are
No.
turning into new
No,
plants?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
They are not. So because they need some conditions. They need some conditions
Condition.
to germinate. Okay. They need soil, water, nutrients, and sunlight. Proper quantity of sunlight. Warmth also we can see. Okay, warmth we will get from the sunlight. So all the seeds want to germinate. These things all needed. Which all are they? Air. Say that they should get sufficient air. Yes, they should get sufficient moisture, water. They should get nutrients from the soil. Then the sunlight also. If sunlight is not there, some type of seeds can't germinate. They need sufficient quantity of sunlight. Okay.
Ma'am, I had started planting.
Okay. So
I understand from that.
okay. So here I will show it. See which all things a seed need for germination. A seed needs soil, water, air, and nutrients to germinate. Okay.
And we should write this.
No need. So here I took the first word of each thing. Okay. First word of the each one. That is S. Can you see down there S? From the water I took W. From the air I took A. Then from the nutrients I took N. By these all things are necessary for a seed to germinate. So by taking the first letter of this word, I made a word swan. So if I ask a question, what are the things that a seed needs to germinate? So you can memorize it, right? Swan. S for soil, W for water, A for air, N for nutrients. Right? Swan.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but when I ask a question, what are the things needed for a seed to germinate? Don't write the answer as swan. Will you write it as swan? No.
No, ma'am.
These are for remember, for you to remember. See, which all colors are there in the rainbow. It will be difficult for you to remember that all. But instead of that, you can remember Vibgyor. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Vibgyor. If you remember
Then
the
repeat the word.
Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
the order. That is the order of the colors in the rainbow. So we are taking the first letter of that all colors in a order and made a special word Vibgyor. So which are the colors in a rainbow? Vibgyor. By remembering that, we can write violet is there, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, likewise. In the same way, we can remember swan. We can remember as swan. Swan means S for soil, W for water, A for air, and N for nutrients. These are important for a seed to germinate. These are important for a seed to germinate. Okay? So, Aditi, do you want to say something, Aditi? Okay. So, shall I move to the next one?
Ma'am, someone is the waiting room, ma'am.
Okay. So these all things we need for a seed to germinate. If the seeds, if a seed gets all these things, it will start to germinate. First, this one will come. Roots will come out of it. Then shoot. Then the leaves. Then it will become a baby plant. Then it will slowly, start to grow. Okay? So, which all things are Pranava?
Yes, ma'am.
Which all things are needed for a seed to germinate? Only Pranava.
Soil, water, air, nutrients.
Okay. Now can you mute your audio? Don't keep it unmuted. Okay. When I ask, then only. So we learned it. Just imagine.
Why there is waiting for the meeting?
This one we can actually
Why it
before that.
happened like that?
Before that classes, that was coming, the window was coming down, but now it is stopped. I think something updated, that is why. Okay, just inform me, but anybody, not all. So here we can see, just imagine a house.
And why did he one more time?
Ma'am, why there is the waiting
Okay,
room?
okay, no need to inform now. Everyone will, I will check in with you. Okay, this one, just imagine a big house, sorry, small house. Okay, small house. And just imagine there 35 family members are there in the 35 members are there in the house. It is a joint family. Hmm? Just imagine, will they all get a sufficient place for living?
No, ma'am.
No. Say they will not get any
No.
sufficient place. They will not get any sufficient food also, right? So this is the same case. This is the same case with the seeds when they grow under the same tree. See, just imagine a mango tree. It has lot of mangoes. After when it become mature, it all fall down ground on the ground. After some days, that fleshy part will decay and the seeds will come out of it, right? So all the seeds of that old mangoes fall down under the same tree. Will they get sufficient place for place for growing? No, they have to, seeds have to fight against each other to get the place, to get
Yes,
the
ma'am.
space for them to grow. And also, they have to fight against each of them to get the nutrients, to get the water, to get the air also. Everything, they have to fight it. See, if so many siblings are there at your home, you are also doing the same thing, right? If your parents are
Yes,
bringing,
ma'am. First I want like that.
so if bring some one biscuit or one chocolate, you all will be fighting for it, right? I
Yes,
know.
ma'am.
The same way,
Ma'am, yes.
same way, if all the seeds of a mango tree fall under the same tree and if they all start to germinate, all that seeds have to fight against each other to get sufficient place, space or nutrients, air, water and all. And if they are under the mango tree, will they get sufficient sunlight? No.
No, ma'am. They will
No,
get the shade.
ma'am.
They may be under the shade, right? So, will they get all the conditions satisfied?
No, ma'am.
The
They'll get
seeds won't get the conditions to satisfy. So, they won't germinate. Very few seeds will be getting the sufficient condition and they will germinate. Like at your home. If you are, if so many siblings are there or if so many cousins, so many are there, and if very few biscuits or chocolates are distributed, those are having some, those are strong. Those are strong. They will take it and go. Right? They will only survive. They will only survive. But the weaker ones won't get anything. In the same way, the seeds, in the same way, seeds, if they are growing under the same mother plant, they won't get sufficient things for them to germinate. They have to fight against with the other seed. In that fight, some of the seeds may die. Understood? To avoid these all, nature had made.
Ma'am, how the seeds fight?
How does the seeds fight?
the
They
roots, ma'am.
on their own way. Mute your mute. They will not like taking hand or legs and all. They have their own techniques for fighting. Understood? So some of the seeds won't grow
Yes.
properly. They may die. So in order to avoid these all things, nature had made a technique, made a arrangement. He made he made them to spread the seeds from away from the mother plant. Understood? Nature made some arrangement to spread the seeds from the mother plant.
Mother plant.
Mother plant.
Mother plant.
How, ma'am?
That I will explain. Right? Okay, you have seen some seeds are flying in the air. Have you seen it?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
That I will tell. That I will tell. That I will.
Okay, ma'am.
Cotton, Trinova, mute your audio. See cotton seeds. You can see cotton is flying near a cotton plant or cotton tree. You can
Yeah,
see.
ma'am, that I
After-
see.
Yeah, when it is mature, when it become ripe, you can see it is flying there, right? And another
Yes,
thing,
ma'am.
another
Yeah,
thing.
ma'am.
After say the mangoes which all you are eating, are you getting from your home? No,
No.
some may be taking from the neighbor's house. Some may be you are taking getting from the neighbor. Prinova, dear, don't play on your device. Attentive on in your class. Okay, don't touch it.
Okay, ma'am.
No need to mute and unmute. In between, you are doing it. Your concentration is in that. Okay. So here we can see so many. See the mangoes which all you are eating. That is all not from your home. Maybe your neighbors are giving it, right? So from the neighbor's house, there may be some one mango tree. From the mango, they will give you. So after eating, you will throw it somewhere, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
also spreading
ma'am.
of seeds. That
Sometimes
is
the
also
waste.
spreading of seeds. Okay, when you are keeping it in waste, where you are putting that waste, you will keep it somewhere else on your courtyard, right? Okay, so there also, so your neighbor's seed, neighbor's mango, from your neighbor's mango tree, you are spreading that seed from to your house, your courtyard. Understood? Another way. Have you heard about Appupan Tadi? And
Yes,
have
ma'am.
you
That
seen
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I heard.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Open daddy.
Okay. So the name of the English word for that one is dandelion. Okay, dandelion. I will write and show. Okay, dandelion. This have a cotton-like structure. It can float over the air, on the air. So when it mature, when that flower, from the flower, when the seed becomes, it will fly in the air. It will go to different places through the wind. It is through the,
Ma'am.
you have seen it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No
What
need to
is that
explain
plant,
it.
ma'am?
Yeah. So I will explain it. Okay. So when I ask you, have you seen any of these seeds are flying? Or yeah, you told me you don't know. But now you understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
so here we can see seeds from one plant is spreading to another plant. Some crow or squirrel will take the mangoes or guavas from your tree. They will eat it. They will take it. Are they eating there itself? No.
Ma'am, Muhammad, the farm is waiting.
Sometimes they will take it and keep it in some other place and they will eat. There the seeds will fall down. There that tree will come out. Sometimes if they eat some of the plants and birds, if they eat the fruits, these seeds will not get digested. These seeds will come out of their waste as droppings. From the dropping, there is the seed come out to germinate. Understood? So,
Yes, ma'am.
see, nature has its own method to spread the seeds. Got it? Okay. As the fruits are fleshy,
Engineer.
Narrow.
tasty and nutrient. nutrient rich.
Angelina Ross entered the waiting room.
Okay, so when as the fruits are fleshy, tasty and nutrient rich, we can take this, we are eating it. Birds and animals are eating it, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, so that is also a method to spread. As the fruit is very tasty and fleshy, we are taking the mango fruit, we are taking
Yes,
the
ma'am.
guava fruit, right? And we will eat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Came now and go.
Okay, don't worry about it. Just listen the class. Okay, so here you can see this is the way to spread the seed away from the mother plant.
Excuse me,
Okay,
ma'am.
that is called dispersal. That spreading of seeds from the plant is called dispersal. Can you see it? Dispersal. Write down the new word. Write down. This is the second word. Dispersal. D-I-S-P-E-R-S-A-L. Dispersal. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Dispersal means the spreading of seeds from the plant. That spreading of seeds from the plant is known as dispersal of seeds. I hope everybody understood this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood.
Here, Pooja, please read the spelling of dispersal. Fast.
Yes, ma'am. D-I-S-P-E-R-S-A-L.
Dispersal. Okay. Assembly disperse. Have you heard about it, right? During the
Yes, ma'am.
assembly time. Okay.
Yes,
Spread
Disperse
to the
means
classes.
spread. Okay. That one it is disperse. So this dispersal is of different types. Some seeds may dispersed by wind. Some may dispersed through water. Some may disperse through animals and birds. Some may dispersed by explosion. That each and every word I will explain it. Okay. Next one, dispersed through human beings.
Ma'am.
So
Ma'am.
these are some of the methods. These are some of the methods of dispersal. These are some of the methods of dispersal. So we can learn one by one what all are the methods of dispersal. How these seeds are dispersed by each method. I told you about the dispersal by wind. Some dandelion seeds. I will show that picture. Then you will be understanding it. Okay.
Ma'am, I have one doubt. Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Okay. Ask me.
Ma'am, when we speak this seeds also it will germinate.
When
When
we
we speak the seeds,
when
the fruits and all seeds are right.
Ah.
They are right. When we are speaking that also it will germinate.
When we spit.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Work from the mouth.
Yes. That's there. Okay. See here, dandelion. Can you see this dandelion seed there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See in Malayalam, we call it as Appupan Thadi. Okay. So next one example, maple. Maple tree. Maple tree. This is the seed which come out of this plant. Have you seen it? Yeah, now these are.
No, ma'am, we had studied.
Okay.
Okay.
This maple.
Ma'am, I do not see the maple tree.
Okay, I will show you. See these seeds, dandelion and maple. Maple means this one, Teepatti Maram. Heard it? Teepatti Maram. So from that tree, that type of seeds will come out. That they can fly. That type of seeds can fly in the wind. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Only 4 more minutes to end the class, ma'am.
Okay. So let me finish it. Okay. So this one, dandelion and maple. these type of, see their seeds.
Yes, ma'am.
This maple,
They are pushing out.
okay, these maple seeds have wing-like structure. Through using this structure, it can fly through the wind. Okay, so those seeds which are dispersed by wind have some special characteristics. Some they may be very light like cotton, and some may have some wing-like structure. So using that structure, they can fly through the wind. Next
Okay,
one,
understood.
milkweed. Milkweed, how it is, I will show them. This, I think, like this also you have seen it. But this, I tried to get
This
these
flower
seeds.
I have in my house.
These seeds, I tried to get it, but this is not the season. It is rainy season, right? So,
In which
this
season it will
dandelion, maple and all are not.
Ma'am, in spring, milk will be there.
Yes, we will get it. Okay. So, write down, these all words are there in the textbook. Write down the words. Okay.
New
Learn
words?
the spelling. New words. Okay.
Germination and dispersal.
Example for seeds that dispersed by wind. Okay. So,